Hey everyone! I'm Alex, and today I want to show you how to use Cropty Wallet as a wallet for USDT. In this video, we'll cover how to add USDT to your wallet, how to earn income, how to borrow, and how to withdraw USDT from Cropty Wallet. I've got some Tether in my account on the ByBit exchange, and I'll be demonstrating all the operations using this exchange. So, to add USDT tokens to your Cropty Wallet, the first thing you need to do is get a deposit address. To do this, in the Cropty Wallet, click on Receive, select the Tether USD coin, you can find it in the list, or use the search function, for example, type in USDT. Now, you need to choose the network through which you'll be transferring. USDT isn't a cryptocurrency, but a token, and you can transfer it to Cropty using one of the networks, Tron, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon POS Chain, and AVAX C Chain. Be aware that some networks use the same token standard, ERC20, however, they are different networks, and if you choose the wrong network when transferring, you might lose your money. Let's opt for the Tron network as it is the most popular network for USDT transactions. On the screen that opens up, you'll see a QR code with the address, and the address itself for the transfer. Copy this address by pressing the Copy button, and head over to the ByBit exchange. Here, select USDT. Click Withdraw, enter the address you copied, and for the network, choose TRC20. Again, make sure you select the network for which you received the address in the Cropty interface. If you transfer through the wrong network, your funds could be lost. Now, you need to enter the amount. Just click on Max and send your USDT by pressing the Withdraw button. All that's left is to confirm the transfer, and there you go, your withdrawal request is sent. Let's go back to the Cropty interface. Let's check if our funds have arrived by pulling the screen down. Hooray! We've received our USDT. Now we can use it for various purposes, for example, send it to another Cropty user, our friend, for free and without any fees. Notice that I have a few TRX tokens in my balance. Let me show you how I can borrow some more USDT using my TRX as collateral. To do this, let's go to the Features tab, select the Loan option. As you can see, I actively use the crypto lending feature on Cropty. It allows me to unlock my funds for certain life situations. Click on Borrow, choose TRX as collateral, and let's see what the maximum loan amount the system offers us. It's 71.9 USDT. Let's borrow it. To do this, we'll agree to the terms and click Confirm. Now, we need to verify the operation with a one-time code. Success! The borrowed funds have been credited to my balance. Let's check. So, we see 75.14 USDT in the balance of our wallet. Now we can use them as we wish, or repay the debt to get our TRX back. Let's explore how I can earn by lending my USDT to other Cropty users in exchange for their cryptocurrency as collateral. For this, we go back to the Features tab and select Earn. Here, we click on Invest, specify the amount of our deposit, and confirm the opening of the deposit with a one-time code. Our deposit is open. Note that income accrual starts the day after the deposit is opened, and you'll start receiving earnings one day after the deposit is opened. This allows other Cropty users enough time to take your money on loan and pay interest on the loan, which is where your income comes from. You can close your deposit at any time and take back your USDT tokens. Keep in mind that you will lose all the income that has not yet been credited to you. To take back your USDT tokens, press the Close Deposit button and confirm the closing of the deposit with a one-time code. Success! Your USDT has returned to your balance, and the deposit is closed. Let's now repay our loan to get back our TRX tokens. We'll go back to the Loan tab, select our active loan, and click on Repay. Flexible loans at Cropty can be repaid at any time. Enter the full amount of the loan and confirm the repayment with a one-time code. Success! Our loan has been repaid. Let's return to the main page of our wallet and we can see that our TRX tokens have been fully restored to our balance. Let's go through the steps to withdraw USDT from Cropty Wallet. First, we'll head back to the ByBit interface and retrieve a deposit address via the Binance Smart Chain. Click on Assets, Funding, Deposit Crypto, USDT, BSC, BP20, and get the transfer address. Copy this address and return to Cropty Wallet. In Cropty Wallet, select our USDT and click on Send via Crypto Network. It's crucial to select the correct network, which in our case is Binance Smart Chain, BP20. Enter the transfer address we obtained from ByBit. Since we want to transfer the entire amount, press the max button. This will cause the system to transfer all our money, and the fee will be automatically deducted from the transfer amount. If you need to transfer a specific amount, you can uncheck the option Include a fee in the amount and enter the exact amount you wish to send, like 2 USDT. This way, the recipient receives exactly that amount, and the fee is charged separately from your balance. But since we are interested in withdrawing all funds, we'll press max again. Now, simply click on Send, double-check all the information, wallet address, amount, and transfer network, and confirm the transfer with a one-time code. Success! Our withdrawal request has been sent. As we can see, it is now in the queue for sending. Let's wait for our turn and for the transaction to be sent. After refreshing the screen, we see that our transaction has been sent, and the transaction hash has appeared. Let's now wait for it to be confirmed by the blockchain. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. All done, our transaction is successfully completed. We can click on the Info button to view the transaction details. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with new tutorials, and download Cropty Wallet for a convenient and secure way to manage your cryptocurrencies.